Introducing higher top load washing machine in Built Heater series. Specifically designed to improve the heat efficiency and sanitize your clothes. Comes with a breakthrough technology of an advanced inbuilt heater, which has a unique butterfly design. Heating efficiency increases by 30% uniformly and efficiently. Water can be heated at 60 degrees Celsius, killing 99.9% of the germs. Removal of 106 types of tough stains, as old as 72 hours, is now possible. Unique 5D design of Storm Pulsator makes the washing experience entangled and wrinkle-free. Advanced NZP technology senses the load and ensures reliable performance and effective cleaning in extreme low water pressure. The two magic filters increases the lint collection by 40%. The 15+ wash programs offer various washing needs as per different garments. Always enjoy a seamless laundry experience. Higher top load washing machine with inbuilt heater.